In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio files public in Roblox. So to go and set your audio file as public on the Roblox marketplace, then we first need to open up the Roblox website, click on Create in the top navigation. In the left-hand side, click on Creations. Then you want to select Development Items, click on Audio from the list of options, and then you first need to go and upload your audio asset. So I'm going to click on Upload Asset, and then give your audio file a name. I'm just going to call this Audio 1, and you also can give your audio a description as well. And then I'm going to click on the upload button to go and upload my audio file. And once you've uploaded your MP3 file, we can scroll down to the bottom and click on upload. Now, once it's finished uploading, you'll see all of your audio files in the bottom down here. And in order to make this file public, what you need to do is just click on it like so. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says distribute on Creator Store. And you want to make sure this here is turned on and enabled. Now, before you can do this, you will need to get approval to distribute your assets. So we can just click on Submit for review. And just bear in mind that you will need to have your identification verified on the Roblox website before you can do this. Then go and agree to all of the terms and conditions and press Submit. Now you'll get this message saying distribution approval pending, and this typically takes around 24 hours. So if we click back on audio assets, we can click back on our audio track. And as you can see here, my audio was approved near enough instantly. So now all we need to do is click on this option, distribute on Creator Store, and then we can press save changes. Now just bear in mind that your audio track needs to be under 6 seconds in order to make it public. If it's over 6 seconds, then you won't be able to have this option here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.